Have you ever wondered which cities in Turkey are the best to visit? Turkey, a country rich in history and culture, offers a plethora of destinations that cater to every kind of traveler. From bustling metropolises to tranquil coastal towns, each city has its unique charm and attractions. In this video, we will explore the top 5 cities to visit in Turkey, based on the number of visitors and overall satisfaction. Let's dive into this exciting journey. Number 5. Bursa. Bursa, often referred to as Green Bursa, is renowned for its beautiful parks and gardens. As the first capital of the Ottoman Empire, it boasts a rich historical heritage. Visitors can explore the Grand Mosque Ulu Cami, a masterpiece of early Ottoman architecture, and the Green Mosque Yeşil Cami, with its stunning tiles. The city is also famous for its thermal baths, which offer a relaxing experience in a historical setting. Bursa is easily accessible from Istanbul by car or ferry. For those seeking adventure, the nearby Uludağ National Park provides excellent opportunities for skiing in the winter and hiking in the summer. The best time to visit Bursa is during the spring and autumn months when the weather is pleasant, and the city's parks are in full bloom. Number 4. Antalya. Antalya, located on the southwestern coast of Turkey, is a popular destination for beach lovers and history enthusiasts alike. The city is part of the Turkish Riviera and boasts stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and a charming old town, Cappadocia, with narrow, winding streets. Visitors can explore historical sites such as Hadrian's Gate and the ancient city of Perch. Antalya is well connected by air, with its own international airport, and by road. The city is also a gateway to the famous Lishan Way, a long-distance hiking trail that offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean coast. The best time to visit Antalya is from April to October, with the summer months being ideal for beach activities. Number 3. Izmir. Izmir, Turkey's third-largest city, is a vibrant metropolis with a laid-back coastal vibe. Situated on the Aegean Sea, it offers a blend of modernity and tradition. Visitors can stroll along the picturesque Cordon Promenade, explore the ancient ruins of Ephesus nearby, and visit the bustling Kemeraltı Bazaar for a unique shopping experience. Izmir is accessible by air through Adnan Menderes Airport and by train or bus from other major Turkish cities. The city's warm Mediterranean climate makes it a year-round destination, though spring and autumn are particularly pleasant times to explore its attractions. Don't miss the chance to taste the local delicacies, especially the seafood. Number 2. Cappadocia. Cappadocia, located in central Turkey, is famous for its otherworldly landscapes and unique rock formations. The region is best known for its fairy chimneys, cave dwellings, and hot air balloon rides that offer a stunning aerial view of the surreal terrain. Key attractions include the Gorim Open-Air Museum, the underground cities of Derinkuyu and Kaymaklı, and the picturesque valleys. Travelers can reach Cappadocia via flights to Kayseri or Nevşehir airports, followed by a short drive. The best time to visit is from April to June and September to November when the weather is mild, making it ideal for outdoor activities. For an unforgettable experience, book a hot air balloon ride at sunrise. Number 1. Istanbul. Istanbul, the cultural and historical heart of Turkey, tops the list as the must-visit city. Straddling Europe and Asia, it offers a unique blend of ancient and modern attractions. Key sites include the majestic Hagia Sophia, the iconic Blue Mosque, the sprawling Topkapi Palace, and the bustling Grand Bazaar. A cruise along the Bosphorus Strait provides stunning views of the city's skyline. Istanbul is well connected by 2 international airports and a comprehensive public transportation system. The best time to visit is during the spring, April to June, and autumn, September to November, when the weather is perfect for sightseeing. To truly experience Istanbul, indulge in its diverse culinary scene, from traditional Turkish kebabs to delicious baklava. Turkey is a land of contrasts, offering everything from bustling cities to serene landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore the top 5 cities in Turkey. Have you visited any of these cities? What were your experiences and recommendations? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel guides. Happy travels!